2, 3.
We will.
Work hard, not because we have to, but because we want to find our self-appreciation.
We can.
Achieve excellence through hard work and motivation.
We all.
Work together to reach our greatest potential.
Our future.
Very nice. Thank you. 2 volunteers to read our objective for today. Ranisha, number 1. Students will be able to.
Students will be able to analyze the
Bohr model, which is what you just did up there.
Bohr model of an atom by creating the atomic,
The atomic.
the atomic structure of different elements using candy.
That's that candy lab that I talked about. And then Montavia, you can go ahead and read the second one.
Students will be able to engage in
Rigorous, which means difficult.
rigorous review stations and preparation for their assessment tomorrow.
Okay, so I want you to turn around to a partner and I want you to fill in the blanks. What I'm learning today is, this is important because, and then fill in those 2 blanks. Go ahead, you don't have to write it yet. You're just chatting. Come back together. 5, 4, body space forward. 3, 2, 1, 0. Tatiana, fill in the 2 blanks for me. What you're learning today is
Atomic structures and how to mathematics.
awesome. And then why is this what we're doing important?
It's important because you probably need it for high school or college.
Yeah, and when we start talking about the periodic table next week, we're going to be looking at the atomic number more closely and talking about those protons and electrons. Okay, each row is going to get a sticky note. I want you on the sticky note to write 1 word that you've learned so far this year. All of our tests are cumulative. So 1 word, not a sentence, 1 word that you've learned so far this year. And when you're done, what are you going to do with the destiny?
Place it on the board.
Yeah, destiny. Place it on the front board and take your seat again. So 1 word, and go ahead and place it on the front whiteboard. Wherever you see space. So any word, I might write scientific method because we learned that way at the beginning of the year. I might write electron because I learned that this week. Take your word, place it anywhere on that front board. Kelsey, you place yours? Alright, when I call your row only, you are going to stand up and choose one that is not the one that you created yourself. Chastity's row and Kelsey's row. Shakira's row and Lakeisha's row. Destiny and Tequila's row. If you have a yellow sticker on your material kit, yellow sticker, please stand up. yellow stick and stand up next to your desk. You're going to read your word, and then you are just going to give us a quick little sentence that describes your word. Starting with Gazia.
Atoms.
Atoms. What are atoms?
Atoms are tiny particles that make up everything in heat.
Awesome. The keys.
Electron cloud. Electron cloud is takes a fast when you electron go around.
Yep. Go ahead, Alicia.
Hypothesis is like a dish tape.
Yeah, so we were doing, as part of the scientific method, where we're doing an experiment, it's our educated guess. Tatiana?
Like, it's like where the electrode lives that runs around and go one around.
Perfect. Chastity?
Atoms are the building blocks of matter.
Building blocks matter. I love how both Tatiana and Lakeith and Chastity and Alicia had the same words, but they described it in a way that made sense to them. Go ahead.
Volume / graduating system. Volume is how much space it takes to
Yeah, how much space something takes up? Matter. What's matter?
take up space.
Anything that takes up space. Matter is two things. What are they? Anyone can answer this. Matter is two things. Mass and volume. You can hold on to those sticky notes. Study guide. I need everyone to turn to the front where you have your review stations. Can I have one person? Let's have Renisha first, and then Kelsey. Read us our first, what we're going to be doing today. Each student will.
Each student will travel around to 10 review stations and answer in the box provided.
There's actually 9. You have 9 boxes. There's 9 stations in a random order. Chastity, please put your head up. Number 2.
Take a seat and independently answer the remainder of the question on the study guide.
Number 3. Someone haven't heard from. Janisha, would you mind reading number 3? Yes.
When you finish taking this deed and you are on fire to help us complete that study guide.
Okay, raise your hand if you remember that on fire game that we did. So what's going to happen is you're going to travel to all 9 of the stations. You're going to answer the questions independently on the front side of your sheet. When you're done, you're going to take a seat at your desk and you're going to answer the rest of the questions. Then you're going to raise your hands and you're going to come and I'm going to check your answers, and if all your answers are correct, you are what? And you get to stand up and go help someone else. If I just said Destiny, the answer to this is A, B, C. Is that beneficial?
No, you gotta use the language.
We're acting as a what?
Teacher.
As a teacher. So you're making sure that you are coaching them through the answers. The first class had everybody on fire in 16 minutes and 7 seconds. Bonus link goes to the bonus 2 links, which if you look, that means that's going to be a lot. What? I don't know. Ask me that after. But bonus 2 links if you are the class that has the quickest time to make everybody on fire. Somebody raise your hand and tell me how many people are allowed to be at a station at a time. Genesis, spin around. Kiara, how many at a time? 3 stations at a time. So you're going to have to move to a different station if you're done. We are working independently until you are on fire, and then you are helping each other out. Do I have any questions? Jordan, you have a question? You have a question? Yeah. Oh, no, I'll go around and help you. Can I have Jasmine, just in your own words, quickly, before we get started, can you explain what the instructions are?
Go around the room, station to station. When you get up first, come to you and go around this other.
Yeah, and then we'll go around and help other people. You may get started traveling around to your stations in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. The circle in the middle, and then what's on the outside. Yep, so the circle and then the 3 rings on the outside. Where's the electron cloud?